Let's try to find the value of x. Right now, here first of all I will tell to you what are the facts I will use here. These are the facts you learn about circle theorem regarding circle. I will draw it roughly. Now when you have cyclic quadrilateral, right, cyclic quadrilateral mean inside the circle you have four sides, polygon, anything, right, with the four sides, right? So now in here, right, this opposite angle, this plus this should be 180, or we call as supplementary, right? Now this, first of all you need to understand whether this is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? Now these all four vertices must be on the circumference. That's a very important thing. Okay, now this is the fact I need to use here. And other one, like this way, when you have circle, now this is we call normally opposite angle in a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angle are supplementary. Here same segment theorem, we call like that. Here mean, now if I draw like this, now try to understand, from same 2 point, right, here from same 2 point go to circumference, from that same 2 point again go to circumference, like this. That means these two side, this two angle must be equal, right? Here you need to consider whether these two angle start from same 2 point, right? Same 2 point must start, right? Now from here and here go to circumference, and from that same 2 point go to circumference. So these two equal. Okay, now here let's say apply that. Now here, right, in this one, now if this is 100, that means BCD, right? And then it will be here, what the, if this is 100, this should be 80. How? Because these are opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral, right? Try to understand. Now in this quadrilateral, this angle and this angle opposite, right? This to this opposite. So that's why if this is 100, this should be 80, right? So you can write, if they ask to write with the reason, so this way you can write what the BCD angle, right? BCD angle plus BAD angle, or someone called as DAB, BAD or DAB, this angle, same angle, no, right? These two equal to 180, right? So here BCD, right? BCD, that means this angle is 100, no, they tell no here. So that's why I write BCD is 100, right? BAD. Now you don't need to do this in like this way by writing. You can do it in mind, but the thing is, if they ask to write the reason, show the clear working, then you can show like this way. But the now I need to find the BAD, no, that means this angle. Now I wrote this plus this should be 180. Now BAD keep here, you need to bring this 100 to this side, right? And it will become here plus 100, it will become minus 100, right? So here BAD will be what, the 180 minus 100 mean 80 degrees, right? Okay, that means this angle is 80, right? Try to understand. This is this angle means this complete angle, right? Not this part, on this complete one, BAD will be 100 and it will be 80. This angle will be 80 degrees. That means this angle, complete angle, right? And next thing, the other pattern, from D and C, from these 2 points. Now look very carefully. From D and C go to circumference. From D and C go to circumference, right? From D and C, right? Same 2 points. From this 2 point go to B, to the circumference of the circle, and then from D and C go to again A, that means again to the circumference. So that means these two equal, right? That means this angle 70, so this angle also must be 70. That's the idea. It is we call as same segment angle, right? Then you can write, if you need to write the reason, DBC equal to CAD. What the reason? In the reason you can write the same segment angle. Okay, now that means this is 70. Then after you can write, okay, I will write it here, but this BAD mean this angle plus this angle, no? When you add these two together, that means BAC, this is small angle, and CAD, that means this angle. These two add, when you add together, it make BAD. So that's why I can write what the BAD, that means this angle, right? This big angle. This angle is equal to what the x plus 70, right? Directly. Then BAD will be here, BAD equal x plus 70. Then BAD also we know, no? BAD we know, right? BAD, this angle we know, that is 80. That is 80 we found earlier, right? So I can write for the BAD 80 and equal x plus 70, right? Then now I can find x. You have to bring this 70 to this side. So 80 minus 70 will be equal to x. So 80 minus 70 means 10 degrees. So here x equal 10 degrees, right? Now try to understand here. This is not actually, that's why they tell here diagram is not to scale. This is not look like 10 degrees. It's more than that, but that's the thing you need to do when you have when they tell scale is not diagram is not to scale. You need to work with the information they provide. Okay, now here x value is 10 degree.